How long have you been, as you transitioned from just purely the car sales business, how long have you been now helping people with issues with their lending services or the car dealership practices in total?
Yeah, so I went and transitioned from being an operator at a finance company, my own finance company, and car dealership to the credit repair industry, because I wanted to make that professional transition. And you know, I was kind of burnt out of the car business, I guess. And I went to help consumers, and now I'm kind of making another transition and sort of really focusing on auto, because now that I know about the consumer issues, the FCRA, the DCPA, all the you know, compliance issues that I sort of looked at from another lens before, and now I see it through a consumer lens, and it's just very, very clear to me that there's a whole lot of education that needs to happen.